Hello there beautiful people, it's your girl Pelumi. Welcome back to my channel. Pelumi. I should probably not do that. That's kind of like Jackie Aina and Patricia Bytes intro. Let's just say hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think that's fine. Anyways, today is not a sewing video. Today I'm going to show you how I clean my sewing machine. So you should be cleaning your sewing machine after every use, ideally, but you know, we don't always do that. We don't always go by the rules. So I do try to clean my sewing machine when it's telling me, you know, it makes this sound that I just know it's time to get out the lint and just clean you and oil you. So I mean, it's coronavirus now and lockdown and everything. I can't really take my sewing machine for servicing, although I do take it when things were normal. I do try to take it every 3 months for just servicing. But yeah, I think it's time for me to do it myself now. The threads are beginning not to, I mean, like, it's not sewing up properly anymore. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm just gonna clean and oil and it'll work smoothly after that. So anyways, on this channel I make sewing and craft videos, and today is just a maintenance video, I guess. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, like and share this video, and let's get right into servicing our sewing machine. So you need a sewing machine oil. I've had this oil since like 2017, yeah, 2017, and you know, it served me well. You also need oh my brush just flew out. You also need a screwdriver. These came with my sewing machine. I need to change this one though, like the mouth is blunt now. And I also use a toothbrush, right? A toothbrush. And you need a cloth. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking out my thread and my bobbin thread as well. Take out the bobbin thread. Yep. And I always like to take out the needle as well. So yeah, take out the needle and keep it safe. Okay. You're also going to take out the presser foot, which will be cleaned later as well. And now it's time to remove the plate. Exactly, the plate. I'm gonna take out the plate, but first of all, let me show you how dirty the sewing machine is. Let me just show you. This is the state of my sewing machine. Lint everywhere, lint in the feed dog and the plate. So this is going to be cleaned and oiled. Okay, so I'm going to remove the plate, and make sure that you keep your screws properly. You don't want to lose any screw. The sewing machine is gonna thank me after this. It's been crying out to me, service me, clean me, oil me, but I've just been lazy. Now we're doing it. Whoa, can you see all the lint in here? Let me zoom it in so you can see. Look at how dirty it is. Not nice, not nice. Next I'm gonna remove this. I'm really not sure what these are called, but yeah, I'm just gonna take this out. And if you have a top loading machine, it's assembled differently. These are also dirty and I need to clean them and oil them. So make sure that you keep all your screws and everything in one place together so you don't lose anything. So what to do from here is just to take your brush. I use a toothbrush because it's easier to get into, you know, all the cracks. So I just use a toothbrush and brush the lint out. So when I'm satisfied with the lint has been removed, I just take the rag and I clean, you know, the surfaces. Can you just see the before and after? Well, I really cannot get into the crevices except I take this whole thing back, take this whole thing out, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do like a deep service. It's just cleaning this area. But if I was going to, you know, do a deep service, I was going to take out these entire thing. It's looking clean right now. I removed the excess oil and the lint, and right now what I'm going to do is oil. So I'm using my lubricating oil. I oil the feed dog. This is the feed dog. And I'm not sure what this does, but I also just put oils. I put the oil in the screw holes, and then I also oil this part as well. And then I turn the wheel so I can get the other side. And your sewing machine manual usually tells you where to oil your sewing machine, what parts to oil. So these are the parts indicated in my sewing machine. Okay, so now that I've oiled these parts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my feed dog and these thingies here. And I forgot to mention, when you're cleaning, make sure that your sewing machine is not plugged to any power source. Yeah, that's important. So I'm going to assemble everything back now. I usually just, whenever I clean my sewing machine, I let it stay for like a day or overnight, you know, and then I come back the next day to wipe off the excess oil, and it's ready to use. Because if you use it immediately, the oils might stain your cloth, and yeah, you don't want that. So you just also clean the entire body of the sewing machine. Just wipe everything down, and then I just cover with the sewing machine cover. This came with the sewing machine as well, but I'm planning on sewing another one, a really colorful one, using scrap fabric. So watch out for that video. I'll be sewing a sewing machine cover using scrap fabric. So yeah, it's a sewing free day for me today because I have to let this rest for a while, and then I'll clean up the excess oil later. So that's it, guys. My sewing machine has been oiled and cleaned and serviced, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's advisable to regularly service and clean and oil your sewing machine just to keep it, you know, running nicely and to prolong the lifespan of the sewing machine. So do clean your sewing machine regularly, and I hope this video has helped you, you know. If you find it scary to do, it's really not scary. It's really easy, and I hope you found this video helpful and you would clean your sewing machine today. Like, I'm sure you've been wanting to do it, so do it today. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye, guys.